Hello and welcome back to our health education class. I hope you guys are doing fine and get ready for our class today. So right now we are going to continue our lesson from the previous session. Did you all remember what did we learn in the previous session? So our lesson in the previous session was about the two types of mosquitoes, right? So did you all remember what are the two types of mosquito that are very dangerous? Anopheles and Aedes, right? So Anopheles mosquito is the mosquito that has spots on its wings and it is active at night, and when this type of mosquito bites people, they can spread malaria to people. And another type of mosquito, Aedes, that's a mosquito that actually has black and white stripe on its body, and it is active during the day, and when Aedes mosquito bites people, they can spread dengue fever to people. So these are the two types of hazardous mosquito. When they bite people, they can spread the serious diseases to people. So you have to be cautious. You have to watch out when you are staying at home during the day. Be cautious with Aedes. And at night time, you have to be careful with Anopheles because they can spread you the malaria. And daytime, Aedes can spread you dengue fever. Today's lesson, or the moment's lesson, we're gonna continue and we are moving to section D. That is about life cycle of the mosquito. So there are 4 life cycle stages of the mosquito. Take a look at the whiteboard. I have already drawn right here. So the first one, it starts from the eggs. So the eggs of the mosquito right here, and mosquito likes to lay the eggs in the containers and the other leaves of the trees, small vases of the flowers, and the other area, or could be a swamp or under the other small grasses. So they like to lay the eggs right there, and they can keep the eggs right there, and when the weather is warm, it can help the eggs here hatch really fast. Only 3 days all the eggs of mosquito hatch, and then it will become larva. Okay? And when it hatches, it becomes a larva. A few days later, it becomes pupa. This is pupa. Okay, it becomes bigger and it's almost start to have wings. And then, few days later, it becomes adult mosquitoes. And then adult mosquito will do the reproduction, and then they will lay eggs again. So this is gold circle. So there are 4 life cycle stages of the mosquitoes: eggs, larva, pupa, and adults. Mosquito like to bite people who are having or who have the blood O type. Mosquito like to bite people who have blood O type. What is your blood type? O or other types? Okay, so mosquito like to bite people who have blood O type, pregnant women, a person who have heavy breather, and who has a very hot body. Okay, so those people are very attractive to the mosquitoes. So when the mosquito stay close to that kind of people who have blood type O, pregnant women, they like to bite. Okay, because the blood of those people are very sweet and warm for them. They like to feed themselves with those type of blood. Okay, so we are going to have the reading passage that teacher will drop in the group. That's gonna be about your task 1. So after watching this, I want you to draw the 4 life cycle of mosquito. Okay, the 4 life cycle stages of the mosquito. Copy them down into your notebook, and then just inform me that you are done with copying, and then I will drop task 1. Okay, so that is all of our first video session, and we are going to see each other in the second video clip. See ya! Hello guys, welcome to our second episode of our lesson. So after reading the passage, I have 5 questions for asking you all. Have you already done reading your passage? So if you are done, so right now you need to answer the 5 questions on the whiteboard. The 5 main questions that can cover all the passage that you have read. Okay, so the first question here: what are the 4 life cycle stages of the mosquitoes? You have already learned and you have already read and you found that answer in your passage reading, right? Okay, the second question is: how long can male and female mosquito live? How can male and female mosquitoes live? Question number 3, what types of people do mosquitoes like to bite or like to feed on? Okay, like to feed themselves on. 4, where do mosquitoes like to lay their eggs? Where do mosquitoes like to lay their eggs? Tell me the places, okay? And the last question: what are the predators of mosquitoes? Predators mean the enemies of mosquitoes. So what are the enemies of the mosquitoes? Probably the animals in the water. Could be like fish, or maybe the other are bigger flies, okay? Or it could be the birds. Bird likes to eat that as well, okay? So try your best to read your passage reading once again, and then you can find the answer. You don't have to copy all the questions into your notebook. You just write down only your answer in a piece of your note and then take a picture, send your answer to my personal Telegram, okay? So you are given around 15 minutes to read and find the answers of these 5 questions. When you are done, please forward it to my personal Telegram. Okay, so that's it. That is all of my second video clip. I'll see you in this last video clip. Hello guys, welcome to our last episode of our lesson. So what did you guys learn today? Your lesson today was about life cycle of the mosquito. How many life cycle stages of the mosquitoes are there? There are 4, right? So there are 4 life cycle stages of the mosquito. And what are they? So the answer would be they are eggs, larva, pupa, and adult mosquito. And mosquito likes to lay their eggs in the containers or near the water or the places that has the warm weather, so that they can help the eggs lay or hatch really fast. Okay, so when the weather become warm, the eggs of the mosquito hatch really fast. Mosquito like to bite people who have old type blood, okay, old type blood people, and the women who are pregnant, okay. Female mosquito can live from 2 weeks to about a month. Male mosquito can live for a week, okay. And when they are becoming adult, they actually do the reproduction, and then they will have eggs, and then they go through this life cycle again and again. Okay, so I want you all to read the lesson in your passage reading one more time, and then please go to Zoom together. Alright, connect the link I will drop after watching the video. So connect to their Zoom, and then we are going to have a short summary. I want you all to do a quick summary of the lesson today. It means we are going to have a speaking. So I ask you more questions, you will answer. We have a conversation with each other. Okay, so we're going to homework. After our discussion or conversation, the homework will be posted in a Telegram. So please read your passage again, so that you can answer my questions on Zoom, and then you will get the homework after that. Okay, please do your homework and submit it to me before the next lesson start. I hope you all get a very good explanation from the previous video and also gain a lot of information or knowledge from the reading passage, and then you can be well prepared for the questions or for the homework, so that you can answer all the questions in the homework pretty well. Thanks for participation and thank you for your cooperation as well, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye. Don't forget to do your homework, okay? Have a good day.